Hello, all you YouTube fans out there, or just people who visited my website. But so today I'm going to teach you, first of all, how to make an origami square out of a piece of notebook paper. Since it's rectangular, you can't make square things out of it. And I'm also going to teach you how to make the water bomb. From one of my previous videos, this will explain what I meant by the water bomb base, okay? So, go ahead and begin on this. So, how you make a square piece of paper out of a piece of notebook paper is you fold it kind of like this. Now, this would have been helpful for past videos for all those people who just have notebook paper, but you fold it in half like this, so you got a nice little triangle. And you got this creased right along this side. So then what you're going to do is you're going to cut right along there. I'm using scissors. You can also tear it. I normally tear it, but I'm kind of in a nick for time right now because I've got so much time before lunch. So try to be as exact as you can on these cuts, because if you don't, then you're pretty much screwing up your entire piece. But so now what we're going to do is, on the last video, I didn't show you one other crease. That's because it would have been harder to fold, but I'm going to show you another crease that you can do to make the water bomb base even easier to fold. This is the base for the water bomb. So you're going to fold like an X in there. You can start to see me folding the X shape. That nice and good crease. Sometimes I use scissors to crease it. I'm not going to use them this time. Now we've got this nice little X. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but zoom in. Can you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half like a hot dog. You see that? Just for a bit of a reference there. And then, so then we're going to go like that. After we get done folding it like that into the shape of a cross, we're going to fold another cross in there. Now this time we aren't going to unfold on this cross, because now you'll have this, see this little line right there? I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but let's see if I got a little marker I could make a little mark there with. So we'll go like that. You got this little nice little line going down there. And then you got your nice little diagonal lines going there. You don't really need to see those. But now you should have that little crease there. So what you're going to do is you're going to bring this point up, and you're going to kind of crease along these, and you're going to bring this point into this center point right here. Now, I'm going to make a little dot where that center point is. This is the center point of this edge of the paper. Right there, where that dot is. So you're going to bring it into that dot. Then, while you have it like this, what you're going to do is you're going to bring this, you're going to take this point, and you're going to bring it back, or take this point right here, this point, and you're going to take it over to this, and then while you're doing that, you're going to push this side back down so that you get this. Then you're going to repeat the same step on this side, except, yeah, same step. And then this time all you have to do is fold over this flap. So now you've got this. What we're going to do now is we're going to bring this tip up to this top corner tip. Once again, like I was making a reference to in my frog video. It's very similar to the water bomb. So what we're going to do is we're going to go like this. Hold this tip up, and then what you're going to do is flip it over, and then repeat these steps. Sometimes this gets a bit boring. Okay, so then what we're going to do is we're going to fold this corner right into the center, okay? Now, if you don't know where the center is, you might want to fold it like that and then unfold it. So then you'll have a kind of reference of where the center is. So then you fold it into the center. Don't fold both of them, because you're going to need 4 corners. So you should still have this flap right here. Then you lift up this flap, pull it there, bring these two so that they meet there. Then you're going to flip it over. Once again, bring this corner into meat and bring this corner into meat. So now you should have this. Now, whenever you have it, this end right here, the one with the little kind of hole shape is going to be where you're going to blow it up at. But this is a locking mechanism so it doesn't come apart whenever you blow it up. So you're going to lift up this flap right here and push this right into that flap. So like this. You get a nice crease going there. Then what you'll do is you fold this one into, now I'm going to show you this flap thing. So you're going to fold this into, it's really hard to do backwards. You're going to push this into here and then crease. Okay, we're good now. Okay, so then we're going to push this, same thing, push this right into here. Then we'll push this right into here. Sorry, we had a little hissing noise there. Okay, so now you should have all these flaps tucked into this. Now what you're going to do is not this side where the flaps are at, you're going to flip it up to the opposite side right here. And then there's like a little hole here. You may not be able to see it, but you're going to blow right into it. Good. Sometimes it takes a couple minutes, and you might want to push down on that bottom part a little bit. Now you see it starting to pop to life. You don't want to use all your air. And then eventually you start to be able to push down on that. Now you can see that hole really forming there. And that is how you make the origami water balloon. Now this will not be able to hold actual water unless you make it out of wax paper or something that's waterproof. Thank you for watching. Okay.